Hi, I'm Ryan Morgan. This is Sindicut Barbershop, and I've been up and running in Mhort Talbot for about 15 years now. I applied online as I heard that there was grants going. Obviously, being a local business, we want to keep up with the trends and, provide a good service. And it was a way to improve our shop and to help my staff and the customers feel better in a nicer environment. And it's hard to find that kind of money to do in this day and age as everything is so expensive. So I sought help from the economic development team in Mhort Talbot Council. So I applied for help with funding through the Shared Prosperity Fund with the aim to improve my barbershop with its decor, new seating, and create just a much better vibe for customers and staff. I feel that, being a local barbershop and being open for quite a number of years now, that we host from babies to older gentlemen. I feel like the environment in here is very relaxed and fresh and appeals to everyone, whereas before maybe it was a little bit too young, and it's nice to just cater for everyone. So it's allowed us to take on an apprentice, and also the boys work very hard, and it's secured their jobs as where you work and how desirable it is. To be fair, I think the process was really good. I dealt with a lovely lady from the council, and she got back to me very quickly, and we got it done between us. By getting the grant and creating the new shop the way it is, it's just longevity. We have a lot of competition and wanting to create an environment that people want to come back. So it's massive for us, and we're so happy with the outcome and the fact that we got the grant.